This brand is made in America by Goodman Manufacturing, which is a part of Daikin Global. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have variable speed blowers for quiet and efficient operation, as well as all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion. They feature durable stainless steel heat exchangers and can easily be field converted for either downflow or horizontal installations. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA, but the units are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The APGM3 model combines a basic single-stage 13.4 2 efficient air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the APG16M units have a two-stage compressor with 16 SEER cooling efficiency and an 81% efficient gas furnace. The APD3M model is a dual-fuel packaged gas furnace with a 13.4 SEER 2 cooling efficiency, a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency for the heat pump, and a two-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace.